back to my channel at Pizza Makeover. So today I'm joined by
Farouk.
Guys, we're going to be reacting to Mago. I've checked him out before. I checked it out on my channel with the Perseverance, and it's been a long time, guys. I don't know why I haven't checked out another of his song, but I came across this through you guys' recommendation, and I'm like, what the heck? Let's see him. So I invited him, and I love his vibe. His energy is always so real. So without further ado, guys, let's get started.
Yeah.
Woo!
I probably really love you with that singer.
Yeah. I love this love. That's the instrument. I mean, perhaps it's always so loud.
Veces que no sé si exprimir el sol para sentir calor, y dudo que al nacer llegara a creer que hoy fuera a morir. Na 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 na
guys, please. I have to pause right there. Like, wow, the energy I'm getting from this is so good. Like, I'm getting a good energy from them. Whoa. You can see the backup singers. I love the costume on the face, so beautiful. And the audience are just so amazing. The way they're jumping, they're dancing. Like, they even started cheering them up before they started the song.
I saw that.
Like, to show the love that they have for Mago. Like, they were just so amazing, so joyful. And at the time you see that playing, then they'll change the beat of the instrument to a different thing.
Shout out to the instrumentalists, by the way. They came through for Mago. It was very, very nice. Switched up the tempo, made everyone feel it. At some point, I felt like I was even in the performance.
That's true.
Yeah.
I just feel like I'm right there. I'm dancing with them. I'm joyous. Like, this is a beautiful piece. I love all these bands, all these bands. When they're just there, you get a vibe from the instrumentalists. You see the guys singing. The vibe is good. The energy, everything just goes accordingly, and you just feel so happy and so relaxed each time you watch them perform. This is a good song, guys. Let's continue. I'm enjoying it. I know you are also. So let's get right into it. just going to learn. This was so good.
Yeah, it was a breathtaking performance. Nice. It was nice. Everyone came through, the instrumentalist, the guy singing, the crowd. I loved the feedback, I loved the energy, I loved everything. So it was nice and it all came out to be a masterpiece. What I'm actually surprised about though is the fact that he was strapped at the end. So you guys should ensure to let us know in the comment section.
Yeah, that's true because it was really stunning. Like, the pastor was there, they just put him to sit there and he was putting on those jail clothes, so we're actually shocked. So please do explain that part for us because we just don't want to assume anything. Guys, I love the performance, I love the energy they passed through, we love the vibe. Like, we just kept on dancing all through and I'm just finding out that the music is 11 minutes long, but we didn't feel like it was when it just ended. I thought like 11 minutes long and you're almost done. We didn't know it was that long and we didn't even feel it was so long because his energy was good. Instrumentally, they were just giving us a jam and the others they just make us fall in love with the performance, guys. I love this piece. I enjoyed this. We just, wow, that vibe was just so good. Like from beginning to the end, it was so amazing. So guys, let us know what you think about our reaction in the comment section. If you want to see more of us, do make sure to like, subscribe and share this video. We'll see you in the next one.